Okay, welcome back. Let's go through another example, 3.12, 3.13, a relative frequency distribution. So I've taken the same data, and in the last video I showed you how we got a frequency distribution by using the COUNTIF function, highlighting our range and saying count if it's airframe, count if it's a bolt nut, and then we simply graph that by highlighting this area and giving ourselves a bar graph. So now we're interested in, well, it's interesting that there's 14 airframe fasteners, but sometimes it's nice to know, well, what percentage of the total is that? So all we've done here is updated that by adding a little total. So the total, I just do our sum function, and I just said the function, sum, and I said sum up these columns. So I got a sum of 94. And then I said for my relative frequency, it's my number of airframe fasteners divided by the total. So it's 14 divided by 94. Now, notice up here in my equation, I've again made my total an absolute, a fixed amount, because I don't want that changing as I copy it down. So that what that allows me to do is it allows me to fill all of these down, so I only have to put the formula in there once. And what it'll do is each one of so it'll be 11 divided by 94, 4 divided by 94, etc. You can put these in percents by simply changing. I could put these into percents by just going up here to number and say, tell me, put them in percents. However many decimal places I want. Okay? I'm going to undo that because the book has it without the percentages. Okay. Now, if I want to do a frequency distribution graph, well, I slide down here, I hit Control, and this is the other part I want to graph, right? And now I just say insert pie chart, and there you go. And all I did down here is I just took that graph and kind of fancied it up with, I simply went into the graph and I said, you know what? Notice my layouts, my design formats. I said design like this. I said give me a chart layout that this looked pretty nice with the red. You can play around with this, make whatever formats you want that look presentable. But this gives us our relative frequency distribution so we can see on a percentage basis how our products are mixed. Have a good day.